In this video, I'll show you how to add auto caption in CapCut. So here we already have a clip inside our timeline. So we select the clip, come to text, come to auto caption, select the language and just press create. So here we have the captions generated automatically. It's that simple. So next we're going to adjust the captions. So let's say if you want to adjust the captions to have like shorter words per sentence. So for example, instead of this like long sentence, you want to do, let's say 2 or 3 words. All you got to do is come up to captions, click here, enter. So that will automatically break it down into a new line, as you can see here, so on and so forth. All you got to do is just to come here to captions and break them into different lines. Now, next tip I'm going to show you is if you want to change the font, just come to text. Make sure apply to all is checked. Here you can pick the font that you want to use. Let's, for example, we want to use the bold font. If this box is checked, whatever changes that you have here will apply to all fonts. You can adjust the size, you can adjust the style. And let's say if you want a different color for like a specific word. So for example, if you want to just make the word show a different color, just highlight the word show and then go to color. And let's say if you want red and you just select this and that will change the color in just that one word. Now, if you want to change this sentence into a different size, but leave the rest of the font the same, now you can uncheck the apply all and just come up here, adjust the size, and you will only apply the changes to this specific caption and not the other ones. So there you go. That's how you add auto captions inside of CapCut.